I am Bill Rochelle, Editor-at-Large for American Bankruptcy Institute, and I have a suggestion for a topic that the U.S. Supreme Court should take up a couple of years from now. It's a really wonderful bankruptcy issue for the Supreme Court because it would decide an extremely narrow question. And better than that, whether they rule one way or the other, it's only going to affect Chapter 13 trustees, and I think whatever they happen to say, it's not going to muck up the law somewhere else. Here is the issue, plain and simple. If a Chapter 13 case is dismissed before confirmation of the plan, does the Chapter 13 trustee get paid the statutory fee or not? Surprisingly, the Bankruptcy Code doesn't answer that question. It does, however, answer that question in Chapter 12 cases and in Chapter 11 cases under Subchapter 5. In those situations, the statute explicitly says that yes, the trustee gets paid. But in the Chapter 13 context, the statute is silent. And guess what? Courts, that is to say lower courts, and by that I mean bankruptcy courts, have split pretty evenly right down the middle. Some letting trustees be paid and others not. For the first time now, we are getting this issue up on appeal. And in the District of Colorado in Denver, the district judge reversed bankruptcy court and said, no, they're not paid if the case dismisses before confirmation. I don't see that this issue is ever going to resolve itself until it gets to the courts of appeal, and then I predict we're going to have splits. So, 2-3 years from now, I would love to see the Supreme Court tackle this issue. It's the kind of a case they love. It has to do with statutory interpretation. They'll get to tell us, is the statute plain or not? And if it is, can they divine the meaning from the plain language of the statute? I don't think so, but who knows what they'll do. I surely hope this is a question they take on, as I said, 2 or 3 years from now. I am Bill Rochelle, the Editor-at-Large for American Bankruptcy Institute. I will return same time next week with something interesting in the world of bankruptcy. Until then, be well, stay safe, and good day.